Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'm going to make a Tang dry rub for wings, and then of course I will be cooking the wings. What all goes into the Tang dry rub for wings? 1/4 cup Tang, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon salt or garlic salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, this is optional for heat, and mustard for binder. And I have about 3 pounds of wings separated into flats and drummies. So let's begin. Take a bowl, dump in your 1/4 cup of dry Tang, your 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt or garlic salt. I have regular salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and this is optional. Whisk that until combined. Preheat the oven to 400 or 425. Take a baking sheet. I did spray it so they won't stick. And I'm going to lay these down here, and then I'm going to get them ready for the oven. I figured that out about right. All right, so I'm going to use some mustard for binding. I'm just going to spray a little bit on each one and then rub it all the way around. I am going to use my clean hands to rub it around. And this is just to keep the dry rub onto the chicken so it don't fall off. You won't taste the mustard. So we're just going to be doing this, getting it all on the chicken. Your hands will get messy if you do it this way. You can brush it on, but then I would have had to put my mustard in a bowl, and this is less dishes this way. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. Generously put the seasoning, the dry rub on the chicken. Do all sides, and I'll rub it in. And I'll rub them in on each side, and I'll be right back. Stick it in a preheated 400-degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes until the internal temperature is 165. If you want it extra crispy, you can broil it for the last 5 minutes under the broiler. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that or not. Here is the Tang dry rub wings. Rounding out the meal is beer batter French fries. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm assuming it's chicken?
You are assuming right.
Right. Oh, that's good.
That is, of course, wings, but I put a Tang dry rub on.
Tang?
Yeah, I used the Tang powder
Yeah.
and mixed it with other stuff.
Well, that's interesting. I don't taste any of the tang. Whatever else you mixed it with, that's really good.
Smoked paprika and salt and pepper and cayenne pepper.
Well, these turned out really, really good. I was thinking they were going to be spicy at first. This is really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.